Hi, just a short video to show this Dyson VA Animal cordless vacuum cleaner. So it's been fully refurbished. It is serial number RA6 UK KAE0116A. Comes with the wall mount, no screws, official charger, crevice tool, combination tool, brush head, the wand and the main unit. The brush head's been taken apart, fully cleaned and put back together. The wand does have, you can see, scratch marks on it, but it's only cosmetic. And then the main unit has a new filter, the head's been cleaned, the bin's been cleaned, and a new filter on the rear. The battery on this lasts 20 plus minutes on economy mode and 5 minutes on max mode. Economy mode is powerful enough. I have other Dysons in stock. Please take a look. Any questions at all, please just ask. I'll show it working. Yep. Yeah, so any questions, please ask.